Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2022 DRV Full House. This is the all-purpose recreational vehicle by DRV, the Full House MX450. We got a nice 4-step solid step system going inside the coach. Control panels right when we walk in. So we have controls to just about everything on the coach as far as our furnace, our generator, outside awning, water heater and whatnot, all right there. As well as our breakers and fuses down below. And then as we pan around into this particular model, we have the entertainment center first with the fireplace down below. All above cabinetry, soft touch close, hinges. Nice, very nice cabinetry work. Drawers down below, cabinets aside on both sides, virtually utilizing all space available, as well as the TV having a bracket to swing open and storage behind, with an electrical outlet in behind there as well. This is a big 55-inch TV. This is going to be a smart TV in our living room. With the kitchen here with the full-size residential microwave convection, cabinets above, overhead lighting. So we got tons of storage in the kitchen. May look small, but there really is a lot of storage for a small space. Down below, big insignia 4-burner cooktop with the massive oven here that's about as big as you're going to find in the towable industry. Counter space on both sides. Little spice rack or hanging up stuff on the side there that you want to decor your kitchen with. Lots of drawers throughout, underneath storage, underneath the sink. Does have the double sink with a low separator in the middle there. Solid surface countertops. Pan around here, we have a nice little love seat area there with lighting and electrical. The overhead cabinetry, tons of storage again. The theater seating, looking straight on at the TV, so easy access. It's not, 15 feet to the TV. It's real close. This is going to have electric recline. Then our full-size residential refrigerator. Nice, big, deep, maybe for dry goods above, but it's very, very deep. Come on in inside to get into the garage area. This is going to have the 3-season wall with the patio out the back and the gate to go around, including the step to come up above. When the power opposing dinette comes down, we have seating facing each other with a center table and then the bunk bed above. All stored up out of the way. This is an option. So if you like the floor plan, going to use this as an office area or something else rather than needing the seating and the bunk beds, this makes a nice big garage in the back end here, along with the metal cabinets above. Another big TV, its own 12-volt stereo system. And then we have our control panel here for the garage. It's going to run our second awning out the side and our rear cassette awning out the back end, as well as some lighting. Come on in and we'll go upstairs and show you the front. This is the Irish cream interior. Nice two-tone color with the accent dark and the light, and then we have the light countertops. So when we get into the bathroom, we have a one-piece shower enclosure. Nice vanity with above and below storage with a couple of drawers. Skylight in the bathroom as well. Fantastic fan. Solid porcelain toilet. And then in behind the cabinet there is a stackable washer and dryer area. Really nice. This bathroom has a pocket door to close it off. Then when we go into the bedroom, all private in here. And as you notice with the padded ceiling, the insulation in this coach, the thickness of the walls, when you come in here in a separate room, close the door, it's very private. It doesn't echo. It sounds like you're in a real home. King size bed, storage underneath, windows on each side with individual reading lights with dimmer switch on both sides, as well as USB and 110 on that side and then 110 on this side. Little cabinets on each side with a little countertop. We get into the closet here. We got the cedar lined closet, plug in down below if we want to do an optional rechargeable vacuum cleaner, shelving, clothes rods. We could even put another clothes rod down about midway if somebody needs that as well. 2 folding chairs, so you got 2 more to go downstairs. We have the Connex TV. This is going to play FM radio and TV all in one with the DVD player down below. And then we have 8 drawers here at the vanity area. That gives us a nice place to put our clothes there with a nice big window here. And the roller shades throughout the whole trailer that are dark day shade and then the blackout behind it. Come on outside, let me show you some of the features there. So this is going to have 2 patio awnings out the side. You'll notice they're not all the way out because it's kind of a breezy day and I don't want them to flop over the top, as some of you may have experienced. But the nice high gloss shiny paint job, triple axle, disc brakes, solid step I mentioned earlier, the keyless entry, nice big basement down below. Sometimes I might call it the timeout room, so be careful. This is going to be your vanity slide. It does only come out about 8 inches, so it's not something that you're going to run into out on the patio and bump your head. Access area there to get into our heating and electrical systems and plumbing. Plumbing on the other side. This full house here is prepped for a generator. We can install it here, or you can have it done later, or it's just an extra box for storage outside. It does already have the firebox and the transfer switch built in, so easy installation for the generator. 1000-watt inverter for the refrigerator, dedicated circuit only. Battery disconnect, pull-out tray for the 4 batteries. Propane tanks. These are going to be your 40-pound bottles or 10-gallon on a pull-out tray. The off-door side basement access, getting with our touchpad for our leveling system, and then access to our plumbing on this side with the full house manifold system. That's a copper manifold along with the full house water filtration. What I didn't mention inside is this has a full house water filtration here, as well as a water filter for the ice dispenser and water dispenser in the refrigerator. So that water is going to be twice filtered. Truma AquaGo tankless water heater. Access area here for our Pult gate valves, black and gray. We do have a spot to come up through below for our hoses, cabling if we're going to go that route, and be able to do all that and keep the baggage door closed. So we got a nice clean look when we're sitting at the camp area. Beautiful paint, really looks nice in the sunny weather here. We have the dual fuel tanks, one for gen above if we're going to go the gen, as well as one for the features that we keep in the garage, maybe toys or whatnot, along with the 12-volt pump there that's going to pump from the tank. And we could actually pump from tank to tank with the fuel system there, as well as the power cord reel. This is going to have an onboard ladder that extends out to give us access to the roof. Zero gravity ramp door, backup camera, and then the cassette awning I talked about out the back end. So if you can picture this with being an 8-foot patio out the back end, you know, we really got a really nice all-purpose multi-vehicle, you know, for the toys, office, craft room. Maybe you're into model airplanes or what have you. Whatever you can put in that room, it's doable. Nobody says you can't. Then we get around here to the back end. This would be the rear patio, where we have the outside Sony speakers for that runs off the 12-volt stereo system. A little bit of storage underneath there. And then our LED light strip underneath the awning. Access into the garage. So that about wraps it up in a quick video here on this DRV Fullhouse MX450. And if you have any questions with any of the DRV products, whether it be a mobile suites, going to the Elite Suite option, and or going into the Full House, make sure you contact me direct at 541-979-1770. That's Clay Thompson at Bish's RV. 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.